12-acre tree farm with 400 feet of pristine lake frontage on scenic Panther Lake, cross to Forest Lake. Timber Ridge Farm offers a custom log home with soaring ceilings, first-floor living. Explore 40-acre lake and trails. Open floor plan from great room with stone wood-burning fireplace and 16-foot exposed beam ceilings, designer kitchen open to dining room and great room, solid distressed hickory wood flooring, slate tile kitchen and foyer. Wall of windows overlooking Tranquil Lake. Master suite plumbed for raised corner fireplace and French door to outside covered sitting area and fireplace. Luxury master bath, jetted tub in place, plum bath, double shower, double sink, dressing room and 2 walk-in closets. 2 guest bedrooms, walk-in closets and lake views. 4th bedroom office and powder room, 11-foot ceilings and basement, attic height ready to build out. 10 minutes to train, 1 hour to NYC,